1 upon x is equal to 256 raised to the power of x. We have to find the value of x. Now let's raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon x. So it will be 1 upon x raised to the power of 1 upon x is equal to 256 raised to the power of x whole raised to the power of 1 upon x. Now when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Therefore, this will be 1 upon x raised to the power of 1 upon x. It is equal to 256 raised to the power of x times 1 upon x. So, this x and this x gets cancelled. Now, there is a rule, if a upon a is equal to b upon b, in that case, if a raised to the power of a is equal to b raised to the power of b, in that case a is equal to b. So, if we can write 256 to the power of itself, then we can get to this rule. 256, if we factorize it, 2 times 128 is 156, 2 times 64 is 125, 2 times 32 is 64, 2 times 16 is 32, 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 4 is 8. If we write 2, then it has 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256, but we need to get both the base and exponent same. So, what if we write 2 to the power 2 times 4, or we can also write it as 2 to the power 2 whole raised to the power 4, and 2 to the power 2 is 4, so we can write it as 4 to the power 4. So, 1 upon x whole raised to the power of 1 upon x is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4 we can write instead of 256, or 1 upon x is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 1 upon 4. Let's verify this answer. 1 upon x is equal to 256. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. So 1 upon x is 1 upon 4. Check whether it is equal to 256 raised to the power of 1 upon 4. Now it is equal to 4 because 4 goes to the numerator. 256 is 4 raised to the power 4, then times 1 upon 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 4. This is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.